everybody, it's Eddie Wheeler here with Peace and Travel. So I'm currently living in Saigon, Vietnam, or Ho Chi Minh City if you want to use its proper name. Today I thought I would show you my apartment. I pay about $250 in total for everything. So water, electricity, internet, and actually a maid 3 times a week who also does my laundry. So it's honestly been a lifesaver. I don't think I've done any laundry since I've been in Saigon. It's a shared house, so the $250 that I pay per month just really gets one room. I have 5 other roommates, which sounds like a lot, but usually we're all kind of in our own rooms anyway. Yeah, but it's kind of nice to live in an international house because, yeah, you get to meet a lot of different people. You know, people are always kind of coming and going. The minimum on the lease here is like 3 months for a room, so I've already had quite a few different nationalities of roommates. So yeah, it's really cool. And we're kind of known as the foreigner house in our neighborhood, so everybody knows us. Yeah, so this is our rooftop. You know, it's a pretty cool place just to kind of hang out, have a few beers in the evening time, and just kind of gaze out on Ho Chi Minh. Definitely get some good thinking done out here. It's also where our washer is, and our drying racks. Yeah, because dryers really aren't too much of a thing here in Vietnam, at least in residential places, so you have to kind of wait a little bit for your clothes to dry, but the good thing is it's really hot, so it's usually pretty quick. Yeah, so this is my room. Pretty basic, also pretty dirty. Probably should have cleaned it for this video, but at the same time it wouldn't be an accurate representation of my life, so. But yeah, has a bed, shelf, hang up my clothes, or where I should hang up my clothes. And yeah, gets the job done.
Oh wow.
Oh, those are my roommates.
Hey!
Practicing Vietnamese?
Yes, we are.
Trying. Okay. And where are you from?
We are from France.
France, yeah.
France.
Yeah.
And how many French people live here?
4.
Too many.
4.
Do you like baguette? Do you like croissant? Are you getting overwhelmed by French?
Yeah, I don't think I could have ever imagined living with 4 French people before this, but
Yes,
it works out.
You love it. You love it. You love it.
Sort of the living area, I guess, where we have our meals most of the time, keep our motorbikes. Mine's actually outside right now. I don't know if you can see it. That's our water. You have to order water here because obviously you can't drink it from the faucet. It's pretty dirty, so. But it's not a big deal. I think our maid does it for us. I don't know. It just always seems to, when there's empty water, it seems to just replace itself. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. Once again, also pretty basic, but not really a big deal. I don't really do too much cooking out here. I actually have a meal service that's only $30 a week, and it delivers 2 meals a day in the morning, and yeah, it's really cheap. Pretty good meals as well, so total of 10 meals a week. So that's what I get most of my calories from, and then otherwise I'll just also go out most of the time because it's just $1, $2, maybe $3 for most Vietnamese dishes, and there's a lot of local places around my apartment as well, so not much cooking, but anyway. So yeah, this is just on the first floor, just kind of like a table, a few chairs. It's a good place to get some work done for sure. Sometimes I just lay in my bed, but that's probably better to actually sit.